Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
The afternoon sun streamed through my apartment, revealing every speck of dust and stubborn stain. Cleaning used to be a tedious chore until I discovered the Joy mop and bucket set. The 2-tank system ensures my floors gleam without any splash of dirty water. Effortlessly reaching every nook, it's transformed my cleaning routine into a breeze. Ready to simplify your life? Bring Joy into your home today.
Product 2.
Waking up was drudgery until I tried the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind electric coffee grinder. This sleek gadget turns breakfast into a vibe check. Silky smooth brews, plus enough grind for all your friends. Simplicity is key. Pop, press, done. And it's dishwasher friendly, ready for coffee nirvana? Click to snag yours and upgrade your morning ritual.
Product 3.
Tired of soggy salads and tedious meal prep? Meet the Farberware Pro Pump Salad Spinner, your new kitchen essential. With a 6.65 quart bowl and a 5.25 quart basket, it does more than rinse lettuce. Think fruits, veggies, even berries quickly. Its one-handed operation and non-slip base ensure ease and stability, making nutritious, crisp salads a breeze every day.
Product 4.
I never knew cooking could be such an empowering experience until I got my hands on the Chef Sophie mortar and pestle set. Crushing spices and herbs manually with its unpolished granite has brought out flavors I didn't know existed. Each meal is now a journey of rich aromas and captivating tastes. Elevate your cooking today with Chef Sophie.
Product 5.
Imagine a home where cleanliness reigns, yet no chemicals linger in the air. That's the promise of the Food handheld steam cleaner. I used to dread grout scrubbing and grime. Now 230 steam effortlessly renews every surface. The joy? My kids and pets roam freely without worries. With 12 versatile accessories, it's my go-to for kitchen, car, and beyond. Embrace a cleaner, greener life today.
Product 6.
Imagine savoring your favorite home-cooked meal warm and comforting right at your desk. I've been searching forever for a convenient way to enjoy leftovers, and the Crock-Pot electric lunchbox delivered. Compact and stylish in blush pink, it fights spills and keeps food steaming hot. Meals stay fresh and delicious, no matter where I am. Ready for on-the-go gourmet? Click to discover delicious warmth anywhere.